In this video, you'll learn how to integrate HubSpot with Mailchimp. This process allows you to streamline your marketing efforts by connecting these two powerful platforms. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you will see the Mailchimp dashboard, which features several options for managing your email campaigns. Next, look for the integrations option in the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Click on this option to proceed. This section provides access to various integration tools that can enhance your Mailchimp experience. After that, you will see a search bar at the top of the integrations page. Type in HubSpot and press enter. The search results will display various integration options related to. Once the results appear, locate and click on the Out Funnel Integration option. This will take you to a dedicated page for the Out Funnel integration, which facilitates the connection between HubSpot, and then click on the Get Started button on the Out Funnel page. This action will redirect you to the Out Funnel site where you can log in or create an account to continue the integration process. After that, you will see a prompt to log in with various options. Click on the appropriate option that corresponds to your account type. This may include options like Google, which is commonly used for easy access. Next, if you selected Google, you will be directed to the Google login page. Enter your email address associated with your Google account and click Next. This step is crucial for authentication. Once you enter your email, you will be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password and click on Login. This action will authenticate your account and allow you to proceed with the integration. Then you may have to select the apps you wish to connect. Click on Continue to move forward. This page will display the apps available for integration, including HubSpot and Mailchimp. Next, select HubSpot CRM from the list of options. This action will initiate the connection setup between HubSpot and Mailchimp, allowing data to sync between both platforms. Finally, locate and click on Mailchimp in the same list. This completes the selection process for the integration. Make sure to review the settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.